API Bridge installation and demo. In this video, we will show you how to use algos for trading and investment. To start, download the API Bridge folder. Go to the downloaded file. Right-click on the zipped folder and extract it. Cut the folder API Bridge and place it in your C drive. Inside folder, locate the file API Bridge launcher.exe. Right-click on file. Then click Send to and create desktop shortcut. On your desktop, double-click on the icon. Log in using the details provided by your admin in email. After login to API Bridge, click Login to API. Enter your credentials for login to trading account. You can see message that API login is successful. In the symbol settings window on top, you can check the quantity in which you want to trade in different scripts. You can also select the algo which you want to apply to particular stock. Once you're done settings, click Ctrl S to click Configuration. Everything is done. Click Start Trading. Whenever algo sends signal, it will place trades in your account. You can see trades in trade history, and net positions window. To see your subscription information, go to Tools, Application Settings, License. You can see here the algos assigned to you. This account has two algo subscriptions, Momentum Strategy and Trend Strategy. We can also see subscription period. It has live trading license with Ant Plus API. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.